Really? Hi friends! Okay, to get started today, we're going to use for foundation the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Sand. I'm also using my Sigma F60 brush and a beauty blender. So first I'm going to start by just applying that foundation to my face using that brush, the F60. Kind of just moving that around my face, making sure that my skin tone is nice and even. Not really focusing on covering any of the blemishes I have on my face or scars. Just kind of trying to get my skin tone all one color. Next I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color 275 Light Medium Sand. I'm applying that underneath my eyes and on any of the blemishes or scars that I still have remaining on my face, just to give them a good cover up. There you can see I'm covering up a nice hefty pimple I have on my hairline. And I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Now to set everything, we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r in the color Banana, as well as Jaclyn Hill's Luminous powder in the color Carats. I'm using a mixture of both using my beauty blender and applying that all over my face, and then following that up with a nice fluffy brush. I believe the one that I'm using here is the Morphe E3, and that's just to dust off any excess powder that I have. Now for the fun part. Now we're going to start working on our eyes. First I'm going to go in with the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC, and I'm going to use that as my primer on my eyelids so that my eyeshadow will have something to adhere to and will not budge. For today's eyeshadow look, I'm using the ColourPop Cosmetics eyeshadow palette in California Love. I love every single one of these colors. They're all sunset, warm earth tone colors, very easy to use during any time of the year. The first color I'm going in with is called Laguna. I'm using my Sigma E40 and I'm going to be applying that into my crease as a transition color. I'm going to be using circular and windshield wiper motions. Good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. Next, I'm going to pick up Gold Rush on my Morphe M330 brush. I'm just going to be applying that on the outermost corner of my eye. That's just going to add a little bit of dimension and kind of give me a little bit of a smoked out look. Then I'm picking up my Sigma E40 with no additional product just to smooth everything out. Next, you're going to want to pick up the color Diego using your fingertip and apply that onto your lid. I'm just using back and forth motions and trying to kind of blend that into the existing colors and upward so there's no harsh lines. Blend once again using the Sigma E40. Now to add some depth to that eye look, we're going to be using Highway 1 using the MAC 223. I'm just going to apply that in the outer corners, once again, just to add that depth, make it look nice and smoky and blown out. To do eyeliner, I like using the Maybelline Line Stiletto in the color Blackest Black. First, I start in the inner corner and I try to stay as close to the lash line as I possibly can and bring that up a little more the further out towards the edge of my eye that I go. And then I take and draw a line from the outer corner towards my eyebrow and connect the two lines and fill it in. I do have a few tips and tricks to doing cat eye eyeliner, so if you're interested I can do a strictly eyeliner dedicated video. Just leave me a comment below and hit that like button. Moving back to my face, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in Tan to Deep. I'm going to be using the two darkest shades and a Bareminerals brush to blend that into my cheeks and around my face. Using a Sigma E55, I'm going to be contouring my nose using the same colors I used on my cheeks. Next, I'm going to grab my MAC 163 to blend that all out. For blush, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the color Peachy Love.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA.
Hopping back over to my eyes, I'm going to be going in with the color Gold Rush from that same California Love palette that I was using earlier, using my Sigma E33. To highlight, I'm going to go back in with that Jaclyn Hill Luminous powder in the color Carats, using my Morphe M501 brush to apply that to the high points of my face. I'm also going to be applying it to my brow bone, the inner corner of my eye, my nose, my cupid's bow.
Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me?
Now I'm going to apply some eyelashes. I'm using the Ardell Wispies, as well as the Duo Brush On Adhesive in the color Dark. To attach the lash to my eye, I like using tweezers, and I try to focus on getting the edges as close to my lash line as possible and pressing them down into the lash using the back end of my tweezers.
I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm overfighting.
And here's our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. To see more from me in the future, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Take care. See you all soon.